Welcome to this excerpt from a webinar based on IDC's prediction of the top 6 trends impacting mid-sized companies in the 2020s. During this chapter, we'll talk about the importance of maximizing data value in your business. My name is Timo Elliott, and I'm an innovation evangelist with SAP, and I'm joined today by IDC Research Director, Shari Lava.
Hi, and thank you. Yeah, as part of my role at IDC, I look specifically at how technology is used by small and mid-sized businesses. And part of that includes looking at the trends that are coming up in this next decade. So really looking forward to sharing this.
Thank you for joining us.
The fourth trend is about businesses that maximize data value, who will adapt and transform faster. And you know, there's a lot of discussion about data and the importance of treating it like an asset, but what does that really mean to small and mid-sized businesses? Data is what will power all of the transformational changes that are coming. Data is like the electricity that gets it all running. If it's not there, then automation, AI, and algorithms don't really have anything to go on. Mid-sized businesses that maximize their data value are going to adapt and transform faster than those that are struggling with the basics of data governance. Most parts of the business can be run better on the insights that come from good data. It doesn't matter whether we're talking about customer experience, internal operations, or product development. All of it can be improved with better use of internal and external business data.
I completely agree. Data is my favorite topic. I think it's the lifeblood of any modern organization. And the latest technology is making it easier than ever to collect and aggregate and connect data from every aspect of your business. In particular, it's about gathering all of the operational data that you have in your systems. That can tell you what is going on, but then being able to connect it to the more human-generated experience data that helps explain why things are happening. And it's also worth mentioning that data on its own is useless. You have to do something with it. The most important technology in your organization is people, and most organizations don't spend enough time making sure that the information that has been gathered, that useful data, is actually being used as effectively as possible. So, for example, it's not just about giving people answers to the questions that they have today. It's also very much about making sure that you're training those people, giving them the skills to ask better questions in the future.
IDC predicts an annual 10% increase in mid-sized companies' use of AI and analytics over the next 4 years. And I want to emphasize that that's a conservative and exponential increase that will provide businesses with better information and decision support. But to enable that, business data needs to be complete, accurate, and most importantly, available to those who are trying to make better business decisions. Our research from both 2018 and 2019 confirmed that interest by SMBs in analytics now starts with much smaller sized businesses than it ever has in the past. Businesses with as few as 20 employees are now looking to incorporate or have already incorporated analytics capabilities into their businesses. We also noted that this same growth milestone of 20 employees is also where businesses made improving productivity a top business priority, which suggests that businesses want to use data to not just measure business performance, but also productivity.
A great example of data in action is the San Francisco 49ers, the American football team based in the Bay Area. It's actually a medium-sized family-owned business that uses data to optimize every aspect of the customer experience and their business processes. So on an average game day, there are almost 70,000 fans that come to the arena, and they're looked after by over 3,500 staff employees. There are at least 7 different computer systems that look after different aspects of the customer experience. For example, ticketing, the parking lots, over 600 different retail outlets, and so on. And before, it used to take them 3 days to combine manually all of the data from those different systems in order to determine whether the customer experience had been good or not on the previous weekend. So clearly that wasn't optimal. They could no longer improve that experience once it's already gone by. So now they've moved to a new real-time system based on the SAP Cloud platform. So all of the data from the different systems flows in real time to the SAP Analytics Cloud, where it's combined and displayed in the form of easy-to-understand executive dashboards. So this allows managers to intervene and correct any poor customer experiences in real time. So, for example, they can see immediately if maybe a car is stalled and is blocking the entrance to the parking lot, or there's been a bad spill next to one of the retail outlets that's stopping people from making purchases, or if people are complaining about something on social media. So they can immediately step in and fix problems as they arrive instead of having to wait until after the problem has already happened and trying to fix it next time around. Thank you for joining. We hope you found the information useful. SAP and our partners are here to support your business. Please let us know if we can be of assistance.